Welcome to our vest front knitting tutorial. Now that you've completed the back piece, today we'll take on two new challenges. Mastering the next step decreases. In matching stitches between front and back, grab your transfer needles. Let's start knitting the front hem. It's the same as the back, so we'll skip the demo. After 14 armhole rows, start decreasing for the front neck. Also gather edge stitches at the front neck and armhole. Now knit up to the 12th armhole row. After 14 armhole rows, as per the diagram, begin front neck decreases. Start by setting up the stitches for the pattern unit. Knit a row, tuck the yarn under the end needle, then knit another row to finish the tuck. Use the cast-on yarn, centering at 0. Hand knit a row on the left, then move needles to position. Decrease under the right armhole in the 428 sequence. On the left, decrease in the 223 sequence as shown. Next, knit 5 stitches together for the pattern. Move the center and end needles to position D. Return the center needle to position C for easier end needle looping. Knit a row, tuck the yarn under the end needle, then knit another row. Follow the diagram to decrease at the neck and underarm. After completing the front neck decrease, proceed with a 4210 decrease. Now decrease evenly on both sides. Keep decreasing both sides, as shown. Underarm decrease is done. Decrease one side of the front neck up to row 74. Final front neck decrease. Knit to row 74. Armhole done next. Shape the shoulders. Slide the left end needle to position D. Knit a row, then tuck the yarn beneath the end needle. Simultaneously, adjust the right needle cam lever to position I. Move 5 wrap stitches to position D on the right. Return the left end needle to position C. Then knit a row. First shoulder wrap done. Thread the yarn under the 5th stitch. Slide the left end needle to position D. And knit a row for the second wrap. Proceed with the third wrap. Pin it to the final shoulder wrap row. Then return the left end needle to position C. Adjust the right needle cam lever to position I. Knit a row for the right shoulder. Then cut the yarn. Switch yarns, knit a few rows, then remove from machine. Here's how the right front neck looks after removal. Transfer left stitches back to position B. As shown, decrease the left neck, same as the right. No repeat demo here. Move row counter to the left. Set to correct row count for easy tracking. Left shoulder and neck knitting done. Switch yarns, knit a few rows, then remove. Front piece done, ready for final sewing. Don't forget your stitch holders and yarn needles. See you next time.